just keep watching. So you guys know I like to start with my brows first, so I'm going to carve out my brows, and then I'm also using that same concealer, which is the Kevin Aucoin Central Skin Enhancer, all over the eye to kind of prime my lids for my eyeshadow. So I'm using two palettes from the Crayon case, the Watch Me Blush palette and the matte book, and I'm pretty much just taking colors together and mending them together and making sure that I'm blending. So I'm also making sure that I'm packing on that color, because that's how you're going to make the eye really pop. Going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, we're going to get that light blue. And so I'm trying to, because I didn't really have the perfect shade, I mixed the white from the matte book palette and that bright shade blue from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm just doing that same motion, packing on the color and then blending it out. And then I'm just, because I want it to be brighter, I'm just adding more and more white so that it stands out. Now that the eyes are halfway done, we're going to go straight into the face, and we'll be using the Melt Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and then we'll tap it into the foundation. Today we'll be using the Nars All Day Luminous Foundation in the shade Benares, and then we'll also be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin in the shade 12.0. So I'll be using the Born This Way concealer in shade Mocha, and then I'll also be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro in dark neutral. And what I'll be doing with the concealers is pretty much carving out how I would like the eye to look, as well as picking up any fallout that the eyeshadow did. I'm also going to be putting it on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and then also my forehead. So for contour, we'll be using the BH Cosmetics foundation, and I love to do a cream contour. So you can use a cream, you can do your foundation, whatever you want, but just make sure your contour is 2 to 3 shades deeper than you. So right now I'm going back into that buffing brush, and I'm just literally just buffing out my skin and making sure I'm picking up any excess product, and I'm also blending out any harsh lines. So for my 2 setting powders, I like to mix the Huda Beauty in Cinnamon Bun and then the Makeup Revolution in the shade Terracotta. And I'm pretty much putting this product anywhere that I apply concealer. And what I like to do is push it into the skin and not necessarily bake, but I like to set and make sure I'm just pushing that product into the skin. To set my concealer, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And I'm pretty much taking this product anywhere that I apply my cream contour. But I'll also be dusting away some of that powder. So next we'll be taking the LA Girl Pro Primer Pencil in the shade Black. And then after that, we'll be going back into the eyes. And I'm pretty much just using any shade that I used on the lid on my bottom lashes. So we're going to use black eyeliner, and then we're going to go right back into my brows and we're going to fluff them up. Then we'll be using the Benefit Brow Wiz in the shade 6. So we're gonna just slap on some iconic lashes. I got this at my local beauty supply store. Very quick and easy, and I love how they wisp out. Then we'll be going into blush, and today we'll be using the Juvias Place blush in Bella. So for this completed look, I wanted to add in some bottom lashes. So I went ahead and added some bottom lashes, and then I'm adding mascara to my bottom lashes as well. So now we're gonna spritz the face. We are pretty much done with the look, but not just quite yet. Going in with the lips, I will be lining my lips with a brown lip liner from Nars. Then we will be using 2 shades, Fresh Brew and Honey-love from MAC. So I love using glosses, so of course I'm going to top it off with the Buxom light pink gloss, and then to top that off, I'm going to use just a little bit of the Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb from Fenty. To finish off the look, we'll be using the Starlit Powder from Makeup Forever to highlight. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below.
On the track.